Hey guys, it's Carlos from the HID Factory, and we got the 2015 Ford Mustang here. So we did on this vehicle, I know if you saw in our video, we have the light up emblem. We have this emblem that lights up the edges of it. So if you don't want that full red emblem, the whole thing coming on, you just want that outline, we have them here. So the way we wired up this customer, usually run them to the DRLs. With this one, he wanted it with his ignition. That way, if the DRL went on, if the vehicle's not on, he can have it on by separately from his headlights. So let me go ahead and turn those on. So as I was saying, unlike the other emblem we carry, this one's going to be the outline. So this car is all blacked out. Customer wanted that, just the emblem. He didn't want any of the red. He doesn't go for that style. So we got him this one. And we sell these online, guys, at thehidfactory.com. If you want to check out more of our videos, we do have them. We upload them to YouTube. The hashtag is thehidfactory. All right, guys, thanks again.